I'm again back with my new video. In this video there are 7 things to know in this lockdown. So guys, I hope you should like the video. So first point is that eat healthy. Eating is very much important for a human being. In day-to-day life, we should eat healthy foods like vegetables, fruits, minerals. As we all know that green vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. They also contain high levels of fiber, iron, magnesium, potassium, calcium. Um, Further, green have also very little carbohydrates, sodium and cholesterol also. As we all know that eating is a necessity, but eating healthy is an art. So we should eat greeny leafy vegetables and fruits. All these things we should eat, and we should avoid eating fried foods like pizza, burger, chips, kurkure. Like all these things we should avoid, because eating fried foods adds on excess calories, cholesterol also, and trans fat also. So eating fried foods is very bad to the health. So next is our we should avoid what we should avoid soft drinks. We should say no to soft drinks, because the sugar in the soda coats our teeth, combining with the bacteria in the mouth to form acid, and it also dehydrates the body over a long period of time and can cause chronic dehydration. So we should avoid it. So we should avoid the soft drinks and fried foods also. So second is our get fit. We should do some daily exercises in day-to-day life, in the day-to-day routine. As in this lockdown we get a lot of time for exercises and doing all these things. Rather we don't do any other type of things. So we should do something new, something different. So we should do some exercises, because eating green leafy vegetables is not only required, it also required to do some exercises. So as we know that exercises also increase muscle powers, mass, improves joint flexibility, increases bone density, which strengthens your mood and helps to you to burn more calories. So adding strength workouts to your daily routine is an excellent way to maintain your physical and mental health. So why just you waste your time in this lockdown? Because we have dreamt of something new, to do something new, because that time is very high time. This is a high time we should. So third is our reading books. As we all know that reading books is a best friend of us, because when we are alone in the house or anywhere we are alone, if just we open the book and read, sometimes we should get happiness from that. So reading books is just not a hobby, it's just a best friend for me, for us. So as we know that books are very good friends of human being, as it also strengthens the brain, increases the empathy, builds the vocabulary, prevents conjunctive decline, reduces stress, aids sleep, alleviates depression, lengthens lifespan. So we should do this in regular basis, that we should learn reading books daily, because this is a good habit. I think reading books is a good hobby. Of course, it's a good hobby. So fourth is our learn cooking. We should learn something new to develop in this lockdown. We should learn something that it must be exercise or eating or learning books, reading books, cooking, whatever it may be. So as we know that learning is a very good habit, and the best way to start is by observing someone who is a good cook. So then why we can you can build in on the various ways by buying some cookbooks also, or watching the videos or reading the recipe website, because today the India is so developed that whatever you search, you get immediately. It's not so difficult to know anything new. You will be never truly learn until you start doing things yourself. So first you do yourself, then you do then you see again. So many recipes are written so that anyone who can read this can. So fifth is our gardening. We should always plant our we should always water our plants, because watering is very much important for a plant, because when we are hungry we are immediately getting our food, but uh, but when the plants are hungry they are not immediately getting the water, right? So gardening is the best way, best hobby for everybody, as gardening is the practice of growing and cultivating the plants as a part of a horticulture. So in gardens the ornamental plants are often grown from their flowers or foliage or overall appearance also. So
Such
sixth,
as
our
root
improving
vegetables or leaf
communication
vegetables,
skills.
fruits.
As we all know that communication is very much important nowadays, because when we will get jobs or when you will go to interview, there must be a communication between the dealer and us. So we should have a good communication. So for that we can watch Netflix web series, English web series we can watch, and we can learn basic novels, and we can read novels or newspapers, or we can communicate with other peoples, then engage with the audience in discussion, and then we can do group discussion, debating, we can all do these things. Then start and end with an key points. For good communication skills we have to listen properly what the uh, communicator want to say, what the audience want to say. First of all we have to listen that. Somebody having emotions. So our last point, seventh point, is sleeping. As we all know that sleeping is very much required for a human being, because 7 to 9 hours sleeping is best for a human being. Because while sleeping, there are many requirements, very slightly person to person. Most healthy adults should need to sleep to 7 to 9 hours of sleeping. But if we will, at least 7 to 9 hours is a lot. At least 7 hours is must, because sleeping is a very good and sound sleep. We should have sound sleep, and by this, basically sleeping helps us to prevent cancer, it reduces stress, it reduces inflammation, and improves our memory power. Napping makes us smarter. It also improves our it can also lower your